Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have come with an interesting video. Maybe you have already noticed watching the thumbnail. This video's special focus to the person who is very beginner and want to earn something staying at home. Also, if you're tired of working endless hours without seeing the results you deserve, then this video is going to be a game changer for you. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can make $100 a day with AI in 2025. And trust me, it's possible even if you're just starting out. This is a beginner-friendly, step-by-step guide that you can start following today. So grab a pen and paper because this is going to be huge. Let me make you understand with the diagram. First, let's understand what AI is and what are their opportunity. All right, let's take a closer look at what AI, or artificial intelligence, really is and why it's the perfect tool for you in 2025. First, let's start with the basics. AI is like a super smart machine or software that can do tasks that normally need human intelligence. For example, it can write text, create art, make decisions, and even help you organize your life. It's like having a really clever assistant working with you every day. Here's the exciting part. AI isn't just for tech companies or people who know a lot about computers. A few years ago, only big businesses or experts used AI. But now, things have changed. AI has become so easy to use that anyone can try it out, even if you're just starting or don't know much about technology. Whether you're a student, a business owner, or just someone curious to learn, AI tools are made to be simple and helpful. So, how does AI work? To keep it simple, think of AI as a collection of tools that learn from information. Imagine teaching a robot how to do something by showing it examples. Over time, the robot gets better at it. That's what AI does. It learns from data, improves itself, and gives you great results. For example, AI can write essays, design logos, recommend ideas, or even help you solve math problems. Now, why is AI so important in 2025? The world is changing fast, and AI is at the center of this change. It can save you time, make your work easier, and help you be more creative. For example, if you're running a small business, AI can help you with tasks like writing social media posts or managing customer emails. If you're a student, it can help you research topics or organize your homework. AI is like having a smart partner that works with you to achieve your goals. The best thing about AI is that you don't need to be an expert to use it. You don't need to know coding or spend years learning complicated stuff. Many AI tools are designed to be super simple. You just type what you need, and the tool does the work for you. For example, if you want to write an essay, you can tell the AI, and it will create one for you in seconds. In 2025, AI is for everyone. It doesn't matter where you come from, how old you are, or what you do. AI can help you. Whether you want to be more productive, creative, or just curious to explore new things, AI is here to make your life better and easier. Don't be afraid to try it out. The future is here, and it's time to use AI to make the most of it. In fact, AI is here to make your life easier and help you work smarter, not harder. Imagine being able to do things like create content, design amazing graphics, or even run parts of your business automatically, all in much less time than it used to take. AI tools can take care of repetitive or time-consuming tasks so that you can focus on the things that truly matter, like growing your ideas or exploring new opportunities. In 2025, AI is not just a cool new trend. It's a total game changer for how businesses and individuals work. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or a business owner, AI can make your work faster, more efficient, and even more creative. It's like having an extra pair of super smart hands to help you tackle your goals. The most exciting part? If you're not using AI yet, you might be missing out on a huge opportunity to stay ahead. This is the time to embrace AI, explore its potential, and see how it can transform the way you work and achieve success. It's not just about keeping up, it's about unlocking your full potential in ways you never thought possible. Now, let's try to understand how to choose the right AI tool. Now let's talk about how to choose the right AI tool for you. With so many options available, it can feel overwhelming at first, but don't worry, I'm here to make it simple for you. The trick is to find a tool that fits your skills, interests, and the type of business or project you're working on. For example, if you love writing, tools like ChatGPT or Jasper are amazing. They can help you write blog posts, create marketing content, or even draft full ebooks in no time. These tools make writing faster and easier while still keeping it creative. If you're more into design, tools like DALL-E or Canva's AI-powered features are perfect for you. They allow you to create stunning images, graphics, and even social media posts without needing advanced design skills. It's like having a personal designer right at your fingertips. Maybe you're interested in video creation. There are AI tools for that too, which can help you edit videos, add captions, and even create animations. Or if you're focused on growing a business, there are AI tools for SEO optimization, email marketing, and even customer service to help you save time and reach more people. The most important thing, don't try to learn everything all at once. Start small. Pick one tool that fits your goals and interests, and focus on mastering it. Once you're comfortable, you can explore more tools and see how they can work together. The key is to take it one step at a time and enjoy the process of discovering what AI can do for you. Start small, but think big. It doesn't matter which tool you start with, as long as you find one that resonates with you. As you get more comfortable, you can always branch out and expand your skill set. Let's understand how to setting up your AI-based business. All right, now let's get to the fun part, setting up your AI-based business. Don't worry, it's not as hard as it sounds, and you definitely don't need to be a genius to get started. The first step is to decide what type of service you want to offer. Think about your interests and how AI can help you deliver those services quickly and professionally. For example, if you enjoy writing, you could use AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper to offer freelance writing services. You could create blog posts, social media captions, or even full ebooks for clients. If you're more into design, tools like Canva and DALL-E make it easy to design logos, banners, or custom illustrations. You could sell these designs to small businesses, content creators, or anyone looking for creative work. Once you know what service you want to provide, the next step is to find clients. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are great places to start. These websites connect freelancers like you with people who need your services. You can create a profile, showcase your skills, and start offering your services to a global audience. Another great way to find clients is through social media. Platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook allow you to share examples of your work, connect with potential clients, and promote your services. You can even join groups or communities related to your niche to network and find more opportunities. And here's the best part. Don't let the fear of competition stop you. Yes, there are lots of people out there offering similar services, but there's also a huge demand for quality work. With AI on your side, you can deliver amazing results faster than most, which makes you stand out. Plus, your unique style and approach will always attract the right clients. The key to success is just getting started. Pick a service, set up your profile, and start reaching out. With AI tools, you'll be able to work smarter, deliver great results, and build your business step by step. You've got this. The beauty of AI is that it helps you be efficient and productive. In the past, creating a website, doing market research, or writing a proposal could take hours. With AI, you can do all of this in a fraction of the time, giving you more opportunities to take on clients and scale your business. Let's try to understand how can we monetizing our skills with AI. Now let's dive into the most exciting part, monetizing your AI skills. This is where all your learning and creativity turn into real income. The best part, you don't need to invent something new or complicated to get started. With AI, you can offer services that are already in demand and start making money right away. Think about what you enjoy or what you're good at. For example, you could use AI tools to write blog posts, create social media content, design logos, or even provide AI consulting to small businesses. There's a huge market for these services because businesses and individuals are always looking for help with content, design, and strategy. The cool thing is that AI allows you to deliver high-quality work quickly, giving you a big advantage over traditional methods. To get started, platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are perfect. You can create a profile and list your services with an AI twist. For example, you could offer packages like AI-powered blog writing, where you use tools like ChatGPT to create engaging and polished articles. Or you could list AI-based social media graphics using Canva or DALL-E to create eye-catching designs for businesses. These platforms are full of clients looking for exactly these types of services, so it's a great way to get your first gigs. Here's the key to making more money with AI: speed and efficiency. Since AI helps you complete tasks faster, you can take on more clients in the same amount of time. For example, writing a blog post manually might take a few hours, but with AI, you could draft, edit, and finish it in half the time or less. This means you can scale your business quickly and grow your income faster. The possibilities don't stop there. Once you gain confidence and experience, you can even expand your services or create premium offers. For example, you could help businesses set up AI tools for themselves, create customized AI-powered solutions, or even teach others how to use AI. The more value you provide, the more you can charge for your services. So, don't wait. Start exploring the skills you already have. See how AI can enhance them and turn those into paid opportunities. With AI, the path to monetization is faster, easier, and full of potential. If you're really looking to scale quickly, consider packaging your services. For example, offer a monthly subscription where clients get AI-generated content every week. You can set your own rates, and as you gain more expertise, you can raise your prices. The best part? AI does a lot of the heavy lifting for you. Let's try to understand how we can scale up our AI business. Once you've gotten the hang of things and started making money, it's time to think bigger. It's time to scale. This is where AI becomes your secret weapon. The amazing thing about AI is that it works for you 24/7, even while you sleep. By using AI tools, you can automate tasks, simplify your processes, and even create passive income streams. This means you can grow your business without working extra hours. For example, if you're creating content, you can use AI to automate how it's published and shared. Imagine setting up a system where your blog posts or social media updates are scheduled to go live automatically, saving you time and keeping your audience engaged. If you're into design, you can create templates for logos, social media posts, or banners and sell them repeatedly. This way, you're not just trading time for money, you're building products that can sell on their own. Here's the best part about scaling with AI. You don't always need to hire a team. Instead of bringing in more people, you can let AI take care of repetitive tasks. For instance, AI tools can handle things like managing your emails, following up with clients, or even scheduling your social media posts. These small tasks might take up hours of your day, but with AI, they can be done automatically, freeing up your time to focus on what truly matters, growing your business and finding new opportunities. Think about it this way. While you're sleeping or taking a break, your business can still be running. AI tools can keep things moving, whether it's responding to customer inquiries, publishing content, or managing projects. This kind of automation not only saves you time, but also allows you to serve more clients and generate more income without burning out. The key to scaling successfully is to find the right balance. Start by automating the tasks that take up the most time, but don't require a lot of personal input. As you grow, you can continue to refine your processes and find new ways to use AI to work smarter, not harder. Scaling with AI means working less while achieving more. It's about making your business run efficiently and setting yourself up for long-term success. AI is a massive opportunity, and 2025 is the perfect time to get started. Whether you're using AI for content creation, design, or automation, you can be making $100 a day or more in no time. The best part is, you don't need a huge investment to start, just the right tools and a willingness to learn. So what are you waiting for? If you're ready to take control of your financial future, start exploring AI today. I believe in you. You can do this, and I can't wait to see where your journey takes you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more tips on how to make money with AI and affiliate marketing. And leave a comment below. I'd love to hear about which AI tool you're excited to try first. Subscribe for more tips like this.